Hello, hello. Okay, guys, we are live. Day 6 again, another day. Let's see what happens. What happens? Hello, people. Hello, yes. Can you quickly type whether you can listen to my voice, everybody? Can you listen? Can you listen? Can you listen? Please type it through. I need to check it. Hello, guys. Can you hear? Hello, can you listen to my voice? Is it audible now? Is it? Now it is audible. Okay, super, super. Very good. Okay, very good, very good, very good. Okay, guys, so chalo, I'll be get started now. It's audible, perfectly cool. Okay, I had to change the device. No, not sure what exactly the problem. Okay, just give me like 5 seconds. I'm just coming. Let me just lock it up so that we can get started. Okay, people, so finally we are in. Good to be connected back. Okay, we have already lost like 13 minutes today, so the time right now is 10:13, but that should not lose our enthusiasm, guys. We are going to do some great stuff today. Okay, and let me directly get started. Okay, so fine, we are back connected, we are back online, everybody. Okay, perfect. Thanks. Now the things are sorted, guys. Okay, fine. So let's get on the track straight away. Okay, the time right now is 10:13 p.m. and we are starting with our life transformation day 6. Okay, and guys, today's session is going to be one of the very valuable and very important session for all you people. Okay, whatever we have been speaking about so far, about the mindset, about how the brain works, and a lot of other internal mechanics, today we are going to focus in very deep down details about all that. And I personally feel if you keep your senses very alert today, your life will start changing right from today onwards. So no matter what your past would have been, but if you are right in the game, guys, right from today onwards your life is going to experience a change, and this is really going to be a wonderful journey, believe me in that. Okay, fine. So now we have already spoken something about the conscious brain, subconscious brain, something, but today we need to get into very deep down details. Okay, very deep down details about how these things work. Okay, and then once we know how these things work, then after that, let me tell you, your life is not going to remain the same anymore. Keep your senses open, keep your senses alert. Everything today is massively important. Okay, now let's get started with the day basically. Okay, guys, so you need to understand your brain contains two sections: conscious brain and the subconscious brain. We have already spoken about it. I'll just quickly give that statement: conscious brain and subconscious brain. And now whatever you want to do in your life, the decisions which you make, basically all your new year resolutions, or like new exercise kind of a habit, or new reading habit, or maybe you want to come to these life transformation sessions, this kind of a habit. So all these things, guys, which you make a decision, that decision happens with your conscious part of the brain, which is just 5% of the brain. But the most dominated section of your life is the subconscious. You need to understand that there is a big gap, which is the 95% of the brain. And guys, science has proved that, researchers have drawn the conclusion that whatever you achieve in your life, that is going to happen because of the 95% of the dominant section of the brain. We already spoke about it, guys. Okay, but now you need to understand, if this, and what happens, when you take these new year resolutions, you decide you want to do it, but 1 week, 2 week, the older you, the 95% of you very slowly starts dominating your thought process and starts capturing your entire life as well. Okay, and that's where slowly and gradually, no matter how strongly we want to apply and move towards the new things, but your subconscious mind is going to acquire, conquer, and going to win that situation. And that's a very troublesome situation in the current world. So if you are not following the right practice along with your decision to do something new, it would be very soon overtaken by your subconscious brain. Fine. Now, and the science has proved it, guys, that subconscious brain is the brain which drives your life. And now you need to understand, it is not allowing you to change and go towards your success. So we need to understand subconscious mind in more deeper way, like how exactly the subconscious mind works. And now let me get to this point. The subconscious mind which you have, guys, okay, it is active 24/7. If the subconscious mind is making your life, so it makes us responsible to understand how your subconscious mind works, and it works 24/7. It is active throughout the day, and it is continuously listening through everything which is around itself. Okay, Now yesterday we spoke about like your thoughts creating your reality, right? Like maybe you are in a conversation but you see a phone, you see a device, and all of a sudden your conscious brain looks at that device. So even when your conscious brain is looking at that device, the subconscious brain is still alert and it is capturing the entire environment around itself. Maybe the people behind you are doing some other conversation, the subconscious mind is feeding that. Maybe a television is running right now, the subconscious mind is feeding that. Nothing but whatever environment you are in, the subconscious mind continuously keep consuming all that data. And now guys, you need to understand this fact. If you keep exposing your subconscious mind towards certain environment on a regular basis, on a day-to-day basis, then you will realize that slowly the wiring inside your subconscious mind is going to change. Whether you want it or not, guys, that doesn't matter. It's not your choice. It is, if you have exposed your subconscious mind to any environment, slowly, steadily, the wiring inside your subconscious mind will change. And now we know that when the wiring changes, the subconscious mind makes that as your reality. Now you have to make a decision, guys. We spoke about you are the sum total of 5 people you spend your time with, or avoiding negativity, exposing yourself to negativity. We all spoke about all these things. Now today is the time. You need to understand, it is massively important. If the environment around you is dirty, if the environment around you is complaining, problematic, the subconscious mind is consuming every single thing. If you expose yourself to news feeds where there is fight, where there is quarrel, all that, your subconscious mind is exposed to that and it is consuming all such negative things in the life. And slowly, day by day, your life wiring is changing. And when this wiring changes, your basically life changes. Now you need to ask yourself a question. You need to ask yourself a question, like what we are exposing ourselves to on a day-to-day basis. Are we like waking up very late at night, not really caring about our habits, and like early in the morning wake up habits are not there. While sleeping we are spending so much time in social media, not caring about it. And now guys, we are exposing our subconscious mind towards laziness, towards negativity, towards low beliefs about ourselves. And whether you want it or not, slowly but steadily your subconscious mind is going to consume all that. And now you know what, it is so honest, it is a reflection, it's a mirror. Whatever you feed inside, it is going to give you back. So if you feed negativity, it would make your life negative. If you feed positivity, it would make your life positive. Understand? So be very careful. As part of our day 6, I want all you people to do an analysis. What is your environment around you? Because even though you're not thinking consciously about that, the 95% brain is consuming. So try to be away from this environment. That's the first learning which you have to take. Now second, there is a good news, guys. The good news is, no matter what your subconscious brain would have consumed so far in your life, the point is, it is possible to change. Okay, the subconscious mind, it is possible to change. You can change the wiring, and you can do that throughout your life. So no matter if it is negative so far, it is almost guaranteed. If your subconscious mind is negative, it will make your future also negative. If you have low beliefs, your future will also have low beliefs. This is how it is going to work. But you need to understand, it is all possible to change these things. If you know the right process, if you follow the right process, you will be able to change all your life circumstances. But now guys, you need to understand one very much truth of life. So far, the way you would have lived your past, it would completely be different from person to person. If so far, if you have lived your life in pain, in lot of negativity, continuously exposing your subconscious mind in very in-depth negativity, it would be that tough to change it and move towards positivity. But if there is somebody else who might have exposed less to negativity, for them I have a good news, that moving towards a positive aspect would be more easy. Okay, so that means the transition from a negative subconscious mind state to a positive subconscious mind state, that differs from person to person. So when you are into these life transformation sessions, Understand that for some people already you might be feeling the energy and positivity inside you. Maybe in just 1 week of time you would experience the difference. For some other people it might take 2 weeks of time. For some other people it might take entire 21 days of time to feel the difference. But let me tell you, there would even be people which is going to take maybe 3 months, which is going to take maybe 6 months. Guys, it completely depends on how tough your past wiring is. But the thing you need to understand, your life success or the failure will decide on when you are stopping this exercise. Feeding positivity, the day you stop, that day is going to define. It might take time, but know it, you have to keep doing it. When you are into this game of becoming successful, there is no end date to that. I'm trying to do it like a 21 days because it would lay down a foundation, but it's your massive responsibility for continuing it throughout the time till your subconscious mind wiring changes from this old negative low beliefs about yourself towards this strong positive powerful beliefs. So now guys, you have to give a commitment to yourself that you will not stop till you become a positive minded person, till you start seeing this 1% of possibility of life. It is that responsibility and it is up to you guys. Nobody else is your competition, guys. And don't feel bad like, hey, that person is experiencing the change in just 2 weeks, I am not able to see that. Guys, going to gym, you might not find any difference for 3 months, but when you continue, you would start finding the muscle shaping up. You're doing a mental game right now. It's an exercise for your brain, and you need to understand this fact. It is going to take time. It is up to you to own it up and make sure that you will not stop till the mind processing changes. Understand, very important reality of life. Now the thing is, how do we change the wiring of the subconscious mind? Okay, how do we change this wiring? First thing is, get away from the negative environment. Whether you are aware of it or not, the subconscious mind is consuming everything. That means if we are talking right now, but around you somebody else might be doing some other conversation as well. Maybe a phone is ringing right now, or maybe your family or your friends in doing some kind of a talk. Let me tell you, your focus is on this call, this live session right now, but your subconscious mind is still consuming that. If you are watching television during night, you need to understand this thing. The subconscious mind is not only awake during the day, it is awake 24/7. That means even though if you are watching television and if you go to sleep right now, the subconscious brain is active and it is consuming everything, whatever is running in the television set. That's how it operates. And you need to know it, guys. If you are watching negative things, if you are watching some demotivating videos where the people are not believing about life and believing that this planet is all about fights and quarrels, if you are thinking that, the subconscious mind is consuming. So if you sleep with news and television set on, the media is having a lot of negativity, guys, your subconscious brain is consuming that. And you know what is going to happen? When the subconscious mind consumes all of these thoughts and then you repeat it over a behavior of time, guys, when you make it a habit on a daily basis, tough change is going to happen. And the subconscious mind with this tough wiring is going to generate negative thoughts. The subconscious mind, 95%, it generates negative thoughts. And when this negative thoughts generate, we saw that your mindset, your mentality changes. And then what is going to happen? The thoughts creates your reality. Basically your entire life is going to change. So you will make a decision, I want to become great, I want to become successful with the conscious 5%, but know it that your subconscious mind has consumed negativity. It will start dominating it over a period of time, and all your thoughts and imaginations will lose its value over a period of time. So you need to understand, there is a very powerful mechanism in human beings installed, and which we need to seriously care about, of what we are exposing ourselves to. Whether you want it or not, it is consuming, it is becoming rigid. And now how badly you would have exposed yourself, guys, that's where I'm saying you are the result of your past. Whatever life you would have spent in the past, you are the result of that right now in the present moment. So don't blame it on others, guys. You have to take the responsibility of your life. Why did you expose yourself to negativity? Why did you open your gate, and where did you take? It's a newborn, it's a baby, it's an innocent person. It is the responsibility of your 5% of conscious brain to make a decision. Where do you expose it to? And then you know it is so powerful. Whatever you expose, it will make your life that. Once you understand this mechanism, then your life will start changing. And many of us, guys, many of us, we want to achieve grand success in life, but how many of us are spending time in understanding how we human beings operate? What is our conscious mind? What is our subconscious mind? How many of us are really caring about this understanding? And unless we know these mechanisms, you will not be able to crack the logic and win in life. That's where, as part of today's session, I want you people to open up your eyes that you should never ever ever expose your subconscious mind to negative environment, because if you keep doing that on a regular basis, your mind is going to become so negative that even if you think of change, it is not going to happen. Your thoughts will be so dominating, and it might take 6 months. And you know, I know how many of us are so consistent to continue something for 6 months. Even though we know gym is required, health is required, we are not able to be consistent for 2 months as well. But now you need to understand, when it is about becoming successful in life, time doesn't matter. Be it 21 days, be it a month, be it 5 months, but you will not stop till this wiring inside you is changed, because you have made it worse. It's your responsibility to make it better as well, and you need to know this fact. Now let me tell you a quick technique, guys. Let me tell you a quick technique of what you should follow to change your subconscious mind. Very important, and these things you have to make it practical right from today onwards. Very important, make it practical right from today onwards. And what is this thing? You know what? In this beautiful creation of nature, every human being is blessed with two time frames during the day, where we all get an opportunity where we can very easily change the subconscious mind. How many of us knows this? Very few. Nobody, basically nobody is serious about life. They want to become successful. All this information would be available, but still we are so lazy to even figure it out by our own self. But now let me tell you again, in the entire 24 hours, two time frame comes where your subconscious mind is exposed, and whatever you feed at that time, it becomes very easy to consume inside. During the rest of the time, it might be more painful, but there are two segments during the day where if you expose your subconscious mind to some beliefs, to some thoughts, then it would start consuming inside very easily. And what are these two times? One, when you are about to go to sleep, and other one, when you are about to wake up. These are the two segments where you are about to go to sleep and when you are about to wake up. At this point of time, the subconscious mind is more vulnerable. During the day, consuming something in your subconscious mind might be a bit more tough, but during this night sleep time and during this awaking up time, guys, these are the two times. If you control your thoughts and what actions you perform in these two times, basically you will start seeing change in your life right from today. This is what is going to happen, guys. And you know what, there was a movie Sholay, right? There was a dialogue in that, loha garam hai maar do hatoda. Like when the iron, where the iron is hot, you hit the hammer, you will get the change which you want. So the subconscious mind is vulnerable during these two sections, and you need to understand this fact now, that whatever you feed, the thoughts which you would have during you sleep and when you wake up in the morning first thing, these beliefs will consume more and rewire more in your subconscious mind. Now I want to tell you one thing, what most of the part of my life, how do I sleep and how do I wake up? When I go to sleep, I turn on these success affirmations.
because I know how my brain works, and the same way your brain works as well. But wow, how you are sleeping, guys. You take your phone, you are into the gadgets, basically chit chatting, social media, and when it comes like very high time where you cannot hold even your sleep, you throw your phone away, you go back to sleep. Now what does that mean? Whatever rubbish you are seeing on social media, your brain is consuming that, guys. If your lifestyle is bad, if your lifestyle is heading you to mediocrity, to miserable life, even if you want, you cannot become successful in life. And today's day is the eye opener for that. Control your sleeping habit, control your waking up habit, you will have control over your life. So I want to urge you people, I want to request everybody in here, sincere, you say you want to become successful, I want to show you how success is possible, and then I expect you people to change the way you live your life, to make your life successful. How it is going to happen? Today onwards, guys. I've already shared the link of success affirmation as part of day 1, and as part of description of this, today also I will be exposing a URL. Whatever affirmations, the positive beliefs which you are saying, listening, I have been following this exercise. What you do is turn on, there are so many apps these days, turn on in some app, download this audio, okay, repeat it for 30 minutes, and then while you are going to sleep, just place this audio next to your head and try to go to sleep. Guys, this segment, and I said subconscious mind even consumes when it is sleeping, for this continuous half an hour or 1 hour, the continuous positive thoughts which keeps running around your mind, what is going to happen? It is going to be directly synced into the subconscious mind. And then what is the second thing I am expecting from you people? When you wake up in the morning, don't straight away attack your day. For 5 minutes, just sit down, think positive, feel strong. You just do these 2 habits, guys. Within a few days of time, you will start seeing the change. I'm telling you the secrets, I'm telling you the strategies. All those people who will apply, their life will change. All the others will say like, how do I change, how do I change? But just asking the question is not going to do it. I want you people to make this a practical habit. And the next important thing, guys, repetition. These are the 2 things which is going to change your subconscious mind. Repeating on a daily basis and following this morning and the evening routine is going to bring transformation in your life. And I know that I personally applied. I see a lot of benefit coming in that, and I want all you people to be applying these habits as well in your day-to-day life. Very important stuff. You are running with a big machine in your mind. If you don't know how to operate it, how to control it, your life is going to go to either success or it will go to either failure, but it depends. You have it all inside. Now I want to just close the conversation, okay? I just want to close the conversation with one small stuff. How very greatly successful people of the world utilize the power of the subconscious mind to achieve grand greatness. Right now we are talking about step 1, and what is the step 1? Step 1 is avoiding negativity, feeding positivity. But what about those people who always are positive, or whose conscious mind and the subconscious mind both are positive? For them I want to describe the next level success as well, which the most brilliant and the successful people of the world has applied. And I want like your next level should be that as well. And you know what, real life practical situations. I was watching through one of an interview. He was the director of company Google, a director of Google. I was watching through him interview of him, and you know what, guys, the world knows it. The world knows it, but the mediocre people, the 80% of the world, is not even caring to understand these facts, and they keep complaining, why my life is like this, why my life is like this. Point is, you don't want to explore why it is like that. Who can help you in that? Now let's get back to the example. The director of Google, he said this one very important thing, like there are a lot of innovations and technology challenges coming up, right? Lot of things happening. There might be lot of complicated problems which you need to solve on a regular basis, Now what the Google director is saying, during my entire day I am exposed through a lot of challenges, and I try to solve these challenges. But what is going to happen? Sometimes the complexity will become so high that during the day, no matter how hard you try, you will not be able to get solutions. Guys, I have experienced in my personal IT life as well with lot of problems. There would be some tough times coming up, like you're not able to solve it, and then what do I say? Like, okay, let's do it tomorrow morning. And all the IT people in the house, I know you might have also experienced this, some problem which you're not able to solve during the day, but then what you say, okay, I'll fix it tomorrow. And then what happens? Tomorrow morning when you come, the first 1 hour itself, the problem is going to be sorted. I experienced that many times in my personal life. And I know many people would have experiences as well. Now what has happened? The Google director explained the mechanism behind that, guys. What he said, there is lot of complexity throughout the day, but I am not able to solve this complexity. What I do is, when I go home, when I'm trying to going to sleep, what that person said, a miraculous strategy where you can attract grand success in your life. What that person said, before sleeping, I just try to remember the problem statement. What is the challenge which is happening basically? What is the struggle? Just generate thoughts. Okay, now what is happening? The other thing, throughout the day, guys, the way you spend your day, you might be like, there he is in a Google office, so many discussions happening, so many problems, so many people discussing so many things. His mind has consumed all of that. The subconscious mind is having all of other ideas as well. Maybe the conscious brain focused on very limited thing, because of that he was not able to solve, but the subconscious mind unknowingly consumed lot of stuff. The Google director is utilizing this power to solve the solution. And what he says, before going to sleep, I will just raise this thought, what is the problem that I am trying to fix basically. And then what it is going to happen, you know, during the night, the entire brain is going to do a processing, a processing is going to happen. And with that processing, it will consider all the other thoughts which actively you might not even be thinking about. Every of the thoughts would be taken, your problem statement, it would all be mixed up, and some kind of solutions would automatically emerge. Guys, understand, the world, the brilliant successful people are using the mechanics of the brain to achieve success. And you know what he says? When he wakes up tomorrow in the morning, the first thing he tries to remember what is the solution of that problem, and some rough image is going to come outside. Maybe 50% of clear image is going to come outside, and then when he rushes to office, on that 50% of the thoughts which the brain generated, he works on that idea, and by that way Google has done lot of innovations. That's how powerful your subconscious mind is, and the people who knows to utilize it in the right way are utilizing it. We don't even know these things. We want success, we don't explore, we don't apply, but the people are applying. One more example, and then we'll get started with our success affirmations for today. You guys understand, one more example. Thomas Edison, you know, he invented a lot of things. There are so many patents, so many innovations and stuff which he did. He was continuously utilizing these two segments of going into sleep and waking up from that. Throughout the life, he says, because of this part of my life, I was able to do and come up with innovations and ideas. The two things, the power of subconscious mind and knowing the strategy of going to sleep, coming awake, at these two times new ideas will generate which your conscious mind does not even know. Just imagine how beautiful your life is going to become if you really do these things in the right particular manner. Understand these things. And guys, whatever I am saying, everything is open for exploration. And I want you people to do R&D, do research, and then believe and then apply in your own life. So what I want, as part of these life transformation sessions, everybody get serious, enroll, commit to yourself, observe, listen, implement and change. Enroll, observe, implement and change. Enroll, observe, implement and change. This is how your life is going to change, guys. Now let's get started with the success affirmations. We actually started at 10:15 today, but guys, that doesn't, a sleep of 10 minutes sacrifice can change your life. Let's do it, guys. Let's do it. Today's session was a most valuable session. All those people who understand, they would know that their life can start changing straight away. Those who don't want to, you would still remain the same person, the one who slept yesterday, the one who woke up today, the one who will sleep today, the one who will wake up tomorrow. And you will forever keep asking question, how do I achieve greatness, how do I make money, how do I be happy? And I will keep telling you, you need to follow this. Until you act, there is no change. You need to understand that your life is blessed with lot of power. How many of us knows it?